Hi everyone, this is Susie from Susie Crafted Designs over here on YouTube and Facebook. Hope everybody's doing well today. Got a little something to share with you. Past couple of projects I was making some really pretty paper pillows, sachets, really cute stuffed ornaments, stuffed paper. So that's being incorporated with fabric. And I was using the artistic designs by Adorabelle Vintage Company on Etsy. The owner is Carrie. Hi, Carrie. Thank you so much for everything, Carrie. Carrie is an amazing designer. She's also a great person. I adore her. I think she's so sweet, and she's so kind enough to send me these beautiful, beautiful French papers. Really, really pretty. I'm going to share some of those with you now. I encourage you to go over to her Etsy page, Adorabelle Vintage Co. You'll find that in the drop box down below, so you can just click on that and be redirected. Hopefully I can get the link to go into YouTube. Beautiful papers, and I love these. I love these because they're different. She has used like the look of these pages have like as if it was almost tea or coffee dyed with maybe a hint of blue in there. And I hope that my lighting is okay. It kind of looks like there might be too much blue with the lighting that I have here. But really, really super pretty. It's just perfect. It's got like a lot of that tea dye or coffee looking color. And beautiful French writing, really just super pretty. I love the script, that's my favorite part, and the postal stamp there, really beautiful. Again, beautiful writing, really, really super pretty French addresses, a date, a signature, all French writing. Here's another one. This comes in a set, in a kit on Etsy, so you're getting all of them for one set price. And I have to tell you, the price is really, really great. So this again, the French writing on one side, and if you look closely in the background, there's a lot of flourishes, really pretty flourishes, like brushed off and kind of like old world looking. I'm sorry for the edges, I just printed these, but once you get your paper trimmer and take the edges off, they'll be totally perfect. I printed on 8.5 by 11 printer paper from Staples. This you can put in like white 65-pound cardstock in your printer and print it off if you're looking to print off a heavy weighted paper. You can also apply this directly to a lighter weight paper, and then they'll both equal out to the same thing. But I need to make these as like signature papers for a project that I'm currently working on, and I'll share that with you in a quick second. Again, really pretty flourishes up at the top. I love this that she twisted it in a different direction, so that if you choose to like cut off a piece of it and use it as a pocket or design a tag with it, you can go with any direction that you want generally, really. See, great. The numbers at the bottom, really super pretty signature. Really pretty. I love these. Thank you, Carrie. Carrie was nice enough to gift these to me. Anybody who's coming in late on the video, this is from Adorabelle Vintage Co. Really super pretty. Here's one that has a little bit of cream and beige in there, and some like a rose mauve kind of color mixed in with the brown. Very shabby chic, really. I love it. This looks like a stamp that I have on the corner here, so you can always use this as a nice tag. Really very pretty. I do love that the date is there. You did a great job on these, and the French name and script, and then the whatever person's name was, how they signed it at the bottom. Just love that. Here's another one. Again, this one has like the very background, if you see it, like the insignia of whatever that may have been at the time, like some type of animal. I don't know if it's like I can't make out what it is, but it might be that with like an initial in the background, and just really super pretty. Script is very lovely, and somebody's name is Joseph in there, if you can see it. That's the only English that I know. I wish I can see what that says. It's so interesting. And the date, September 1923. How about that? So, and I'm a September baby, so even better. My favorite, the crown. Love it. Love the wording up on top. Beautiful. This looks like some type of a certificate of some sort that was in France. Very pretty. Love that. And here's the last one that comes in the set of the French papers. You'll see this on her Etsy store. Really pretty. I do love this. These can be used for anything, even small gifts for a certain occasion that you can put around a box and use it as wrappings. I'm going to show you some other crafts that I'm going to be doing, incorporating these papers in. I just wanted to introduce those to you and show those to you. I believe right now they're on sale for, I think, $1.34, which is really worth it. I mean, you're using the design, but you're printing it with your paper, any kind of paper that you like. So I think it's really a great deal on that. Here is another one that Carrie has come up with. I just adore these. I am making a journal, and this is just like a kind of a sneak peek on the tall journal that I've never made a tall one before, and I'm working on this one. So that the top of the journal is front and back. These are also being sold as a kit on Etsy. Okay, and these are super, super pretty. The coloring is beautiful. This is like an eggshell color with a really lovely buff pink with a little peach in there, a really little bit of undertone of a red in there, or a deeper pink. The colors are fantastic on these once you see them in person. And there's the back of that. And these will all change and look differently. Like I said, this is on cardstock. And these papers will be signature papers that will go incorporating with regular papers and tags that I'll put. This will not be a loaded journal. I do adore and love the way that the journals look that a lot of the ladies make. But I plan on using this journal for myself or giving it to my friend as a gift. But I do really love this, and I want to be able to enjoy all of the pictures and see them and actually utilize the journal. That's what a journal is for, to use it. I want to be able to write inside of it and go back and read whatever happened that day or that month or that occasion that I'm going to be using this for, or for someone else. So just really quickly to show you the other ones, I'm using a one hand here. Okay, look how pretty these are. You know what I loved about these? That it has like the faux edges of like on a cabinet or an actual, I forget what you call those. It's like a Florentine, those brass closures. Really pretty. And you can certainly see like the French writing on this and the Paris stamp and the beautiful, beautiful flowers. I am the Flower Studio on Instagram, so anything that flowers here, I just love it. I love the flowers, really pretty. They all fall into a sequence of similarity, you know, with colors. Some of her other designs have some more green in there. Really very pretty, that you can also purchase the tags, the round tags, and incorporate all of those, even the envelope papers. You can incorporate all of those. They match so nicely into this journal. And you don't even have to use this as a journal. You can certainly print these papers out for so many other different things. You can put a picture in the center, glue it on, and put it inside of a frame, and you have the whole outside beautiful with all the flowers, really super pretty. There's so many things to do with paper. So that's all I have to share with you tonight from Adorabelle Vintage Company on Etsy. That's Carrie's store. She's very sweet, so if you contact her with any questions, I'm sure she'll get back to you in a fair amount of time. So I hope you can go on over and check them out and stare at them a little bit longer on Etsy and maybe even purchase some. Let me know if you do. I'd really love to see what you come up with. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.